actually be starting backwards because this is K-block. Either way, I'm gonna get you some video of all the buildings that make up Caribe Campo. This being Terraza Tropimar. You can see how this door was moved, make more room in the kitchen. This is again K-block. This is a separate entrance. You have to buy a key for. It's a medical key, so security key, $150. You usually get a nice breeze through here. During the day, then it's pretty reliable that it drops off at sunset. I've done many videos of this complex here. There is a pump switch behind that bush for the pool. You can see the old remnants of an all-inclusive resort, like the amphitheater over here that doesn't get much use. And a huge pool. It's got a deep end and about, I don't know, about 80 feet long. 121 units around. A couple pools, and what used to all down here is an old tennis court. Pretty much a garden now. Not really, but starting to become one. And then this is the rest of the complex. You can see they just did the hedges today. Nice and tight. And nice and quiet. So that's a walk across up top. You've seen lots of videos where I went down by the pool, so you don't need more of those, but this is Terraza Tropimar. I'll get you Residencial Tropimar and Villas Tropimar later. And you've seen lots of videos of me walking through reception here, Terraza Tropimar, Residencial Tropimar, and then Villas Tropimar. Aqui, over here. No zapatos? The Condro is walking around with no shoes on, the gardener. Okay, so this is that. And just so, I'm going to put this in one video so you have all three buildings in one video so you know where we're at. This is Terraza Tropimar. You've seen it hundreds of times. One of my favorite spots. We're in Sosua on the north coast. And then Villas Tropimar. So a couple major differences and some subtle not so major differences. One, this one doesn't have a generator backup. You find a little bit of difference in the layouts of the units, size of the pool, etc. Oh, scraping down the chairs, good idea. And then back in here, this overlooks Residencial Tropimar. Take it easy, boy. Scared me. This is Residencial Tropimar here. Take a picture. Got lots of different options as far as Caribe Campo goes. So this is recovering from, I don't know, about 6 weeks of rain. Man, we've never had a stretch like that. So much. But I've had a bunch of days of sunny weather, but now we're just gonna show you Residencial Tropimar. Hola. Hola. How are you? Much smaller pool. I lived here for a few months when I first got down here. A garden area. Place to have a party or for the kids to play in. And this is Residencial Tropimar. Again, no backup here for electricity. That's that. 3 buildings in Caribe Campo. Now I'm going to the grocery store, which is 500 meters down the hill. Ciao.